everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be teaching Sherlock how to step into and hopefully sit down and or lay down in a box. He is a bit of a nervous puppy, so I don't expect us to get all the way there today, but what I'll probably do is splice all of the videos together so that when we eventually do get him in the box, it'll all be one video. Again, we're going to be using, just like in the last video, we're going to be using shaping, a little bit of luring just because he is more nervous and he's decided that he wants to eat the camera. Okay, hey, over here. Good boy. So what I'm basically going to start off with is I'm just going to throw a treat in there. When he goes in there to get it, I'm going to go ahead and click while he eats that treat. And basically what I want, good boy, is I want any sort of interaction with the box whatsoever. So for the most part, what I'm going to be looking for is him, good boy, just like that, putting his head in the box. Notice when I'm treating, I'm not handing the treats to him, good boy, but I'm actually tossing them into the box to increase that response to the box. Good boy, good job. So that he understands, oh, the treat is for interacting with the box, right? So right here, you notice how he put his paw in. So I'm going to click repeatedly, give him lots and lots of treats, rewarding that paw being in the box, and hopefully we can keep it in there for a little bit longer by just bombarding him with lots and lots and lots of treats. Good boy. Good job, buddy. Good job. Good job! And this is the first time he's given me any sort of pause. And the fact that he's giving me 2 is awesome. So I'm just going to go ahead and again keep blasting him. Good job. Good boy. Basically what I'm doing is I'm trying to keep those paws in there as much as possible. As well as letting him know, good job, that that's exactly what I want from him. Now I'm going to go ahead and slow down those treats just a little bit. Still hoping to keep those paws in, but not being quite as fast with those clicks. Good boy. Good boy. I'm going to wait till he finishes the one treat before I start clicking for that next one now. Good job, buddy. And notice how that now, even though he is still a little bit nervous, he's keeping those paws in the box. Good boy. Even when I'm not immediately clicking and treating after the last click. Good boy. Good job.